In this video, we talk about unknown facts about planet Saturn. According to the Stanford University team, planet Saturn has its largest moon called Titan, and it has Earth-like features. Researchers found that it has Earth-like landscapes, rivers, lakes and soft sand dunes. Since years, the scientists would think how sand dunes were present on Titan. A team at Stanford University has come up with an acceptable further theory. It has discovered that winds, which are common at the Moon's equator, created the conditions for the development of dunes. At some places, due to lower winds, lead to the formation of rocks from coarser grains. Instead of water, like in the case of the Earth, scientists found that these features are made of liquid methane. Methane falls on Titan just as water falls on Earth. In very cold climate on Titan, it is converted into rivers and evaporates again. It has discovered when fast nitrogen winds blow, they, along with liquid methane, would blow away the harder rocks into sediments. Moreover, it has rains and winds. A place where a possibility of life can be looked at. Please do not forget to subscribe our channel.